Hi everyone. I would like to show a small glimpse of my kitchen garden, which is mainly maintained by my husband. So, as you can see, we have lots of chilies. Some a bit spicy, but some not too much. And there are really fruits of the labor. Some new seedlings, some rosemary, basil, some parsley, more chilies. Yeah, we have lots of chilies. And even though it doesn't look healthy, I've got tons of beans. Yeah, my favorite bitter gourd, though not much. Got some small ones coming up there, waiting. Some tomato plants, more beans, and yeah, they have given me enough to make lots of dishes. More chili. These ones are actually not very spicy, just a mild spice, and it's growing very healthy. We've got these the Thai eggplants, but just the flower still waiting for it. And there's our ginger, still a long way to go, and some wild raspberries. Yeah, I pluck once every day, get a few of them fresh to have for the kids and me. Then more of the Thai eggplants there, still waiting. And my husband made these beds for some tomato plants. Then got some watercress there. The broad beans, still to get fruits of them. Got some lady's finger there, and some zucchini, which has never given us any fruit. And then we've got some nice luscious lemons, waiting for all of them to ripe. Looks very healthy. Then we've got our own bay leaves. Haven't started using them, but yeah, still small. And the Granny Smith apple, we've got at least 20 to 30 of them in that small tree itself. But these red apples, we haven't started getting any fruits from them. More watercress, so healthy, and some wild blueberries. Yeah, this was my small kitchen garden, and as a necessity for all of us, some of the shrubs and the curry leaves. Thanks for watching.